In today's video, I'm going to teach you how ElevenLabs works, and we'll explore together just how easy it is to get started. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other option, make sure you're fully connected to the internet so everything runs smoothly as we proceed. Now, once your browser is up, head over to the ElevenLabs website. Simply type ElevenLabs into your search bar, and it should pop up quite easily in the results. Once you've landed on their homepage, you'll see there's a lot of potential just waiting to be tapped into. The next step is to get registered. You can do this by using your email, or if you prefer a quicker route, you can use an OAuth provider like Google or Facebook. Opting for OAuth can save you time, and it also feels more secure since you won't need to manage yet another password. During registration, you'll be asked some questions designed to personalize your account experience. This step is important because it allows ElevenLabs to tailor its features to suit your particular needs. So, take a moment here to think about what you want from the platform, and answer those questions accordingly. Once you've configured your account preferences, the next step involves selecting a subscription plan. ElevenLabs offers various plans, catering to different kinds of users. Whether you're a casual user or a professional needing advanced features, there's likely a plan for you. After deciding which plan fits your needs best, you will need to provide your payment details to activate your account. Rest assured, like most reputable services, ElevenLabs ensures secure transactions to protect your financial information. With your account set up, you'll have access to the ElevenLabs dashboard. From here, you can navigate through various tools and features. These include text-to-speech or speech-to-speech options, voice settings, sound effects, and workflows. It's a versatile dashboard that opens up a lot of creative possibilities. Now it's time to explore those features. You can experiment with text-to-speech, try out the voice changer, add sound effects, or isolate specific voices. If you're working on a project that requires voiceovers or audio editing, these tools can be incredibly useful for bringing your ideas to life. Finally, once you've generated the audio content you need, ElevenLabs makes it simple to either download it directly or incorporate it seamlessly into your project. This ease of use